Hello, just a quick tip to share with you today. French immersion teachers who are also teaching English language arts. This one's for you. So if we come into the new .learnalberta.ca website, we click on the Alberta curriculum for kindergarten to grade 6. And we go in to take a look at French immersion language arts, and let's say grade 3. And we see the organizing ideas and the curriculum as it's laid out. And you also want to do a little bit of comparison with the grade 3 language arts curriculum. Now, we can see all of the organizing ideas in one fell swoop just by clicking on this More Info button up here on the right, and then clicking on Organizing Ideas. And so here you see all of the organizing ideas K through 6 for French immersion language arts and literature. Okay. Now we want to take a look at the English language arts curriculum. We've got to go back to the curriculum, click on English language arts, click on grade 3. Again, we can see the organizing ideas. We note that the first organizing idea in French immersion is around oral language. The first organizing idea for English language arts is around text forms and structures. So let's take a look. What are all the organizing ideas in English language arts? Now they're right here. Now I've created a couple of graphics that are in the post that this video is connected to, but we click here, we see the organizing ideas for English language arts, working our way through, and there's some differences in those organizing ideas as well. But what we want to be able to do is compare grade 3 English language arts, especially if you're teaching both subjects. We want to be able to compare side by side as much as possible the organizing ideas and the outcomes. Now, here I'm going to switch to another website. And the website was initially created to compare drafts of the curriculum. But we can now use that. We turn off, and we by basically comparing subjects side by side. So we're going to have on this side, English language arts, we're going to switch to grade 3. We're going to make sure that we're on the 2022 April. Now it says pilot here, but it is the most up-to-date, the final. And we turn off those differences because we're not comparing to previous drafts. We come over here and we switch this now to French immersion and switch to grade 3 and turn off those differences. And now we can organize this. We can put organizing ideas side by side. So I can scroll down on the English side to the point where we're bringing the organizing idea up that is oral language and oral communication side by side. And we can start to take a look at what the learning outcomes are, what similarities, what differences, how we might be able to weave those across the instruction in both subjects. So that's your quick tip of the day. Curriculum comparison, there's a little hyphen in there, but if you just do a search for curriculum comparison Alberta, you'll come to this website. Clicking on any of these little blue boxes will take you right back into the new Learn Alberta, the Alberta curriculum. So if I was to click here, you'll see immediately that it'll jump right over to that spot, and away we go. Just a reminder, anytime you hover over a learning outcome, this little icon will show up with the information button on it. If we click on that, we see that learning outcome and all of the CUSPs, knowledge, understanding, skills, and procedures, and resources, competency progressions, literacy progressions, and numeracy progressions associated with that outcome. All right. I hope that helps a little bit as we continue our journey on curriculum implementation. Take care.